Nursery teachers, teacher Babra, Banange, Banange. We are spreading there.
Yes.
After the nation's secondary school.
And we are always a step ahead.
Yes.
No.
This is the systematic system.
Maybe you have another reason. Because other branches around like.
Why? You should expect to bring your students here. Just fail
by itself.
Dream Africa is talking now. We told them we shall talk.
Wish I'm the one. I'm just a child at Dream Africa School. That's all they live there. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. Our dear parents, we have a discount. Tunaka discount at Dream. The thing moves on. Easy. So our director is here and the CEO. I know when you visit Madam Fiona, there is a discount. Hey, thank you, Mami Mama. Mami Brave, thank you very much. Hey, there's a discount on everything we have in our table. By the way, we have a very nice uniform that I have been seeing here. Yes.
With pride, I speak, I chant, I cheer to the old ancient days where green was amassed and birds in the nest. A blooming rose with beauty and love. But sadly, the records have faded. It's us, the Dream Africa Schools, presenting a poem entitled The Poison We Sow. You blink, you miss. Don't be cheated. We are immutable. We are sour now. Swallow your pride and stand to be corrected. We dig and drill. We cut and burn. We dug the death in sand and rain. We seal the earth in plastic stones. Stop clearing swamps. Stop cutting trees. Save our life. That's all we need. Together we fight. Together we win. Our word to ours is enough. Let's save the environment. Let's save the future. The smile and Russia we wear. I am a popo. I give energy. I'm good for digestion. My name is Wadupa Christian. I am a sugar cane. I give you energy. I'm good for making brown and white sugar. My name is Joe Bryan. I am a banana. I'm yellow. I'm soft. I give energy. Feed me and eat me. My name is Kayla Kia. I'm a mango. I'm good for vision. My name is Gaston. I am an orange. I give vitamin C. I'm good for the skin. My name is Napirolala. I am an apple. I am green always.
Wait. How are you? Ajita Womia. My name is Joel. I'm cassava flour.
We had a successful academic programs. We had also reading and nursery sessions, continuous assessment, dancing and music training, and also various classroom projects. These all have helped to build up the confidence and long life skills in our dear learners. We are encouraged by all of our learners that they have changed in discipline, attendance, and performance in most of their classes. That's what I had to say.
Dear parents, friends, guests of honor, and well-wishers, you are warmly welcome to Dream Africa Seeta branch. Allow me extend my gratitude thanks to the teachers, head teacher, and director for their great job rendered to us since January to date. Their input has been yielded positive results. Dear parents, we thank you a lot for supporting us, loving us, and trusting Dream Africa schools. Your investment was not a wastage, but a responsibility. We thank you for always being there for your children, supporting them and ensuring their education. Since we are all heading for our holidays, my fellow learners, let us go and reflect our school by being obedient to our parents and the community. I remain Navia Vanessa, the school head girl, Dream Africa Seeta branch, and our motto remains enabling success.
Mama nakasujja. Mama sikuna sikwezi mumma.
And the branches along the
Why? You should expect to bring your students here. Just fail system.
No.
This is the systematic system.
Oh, yes, maybe you have another reason. By itself.
Dream Africa is talking now. We told them we shall talk. We are spreading there.
Yes.
After the nation's secondary school.
And we are always a step ahead.
Yes.
Hey, thank you, Mami Mama. Mami Brave, thank you very much. Hey, there's a discount on everything we have.
Whenever they hear music and you can't organize them when there is sound going on, please. So
Stable. By the way, we have a very nice uniform that I have been seeing here. Our dear parents, we have a discount. Tunaka discount at Dream.
Tell them, you do like this.
You show them.
Show money, show all this that I'm the best. But
from the moment you want on that, on but the danger, on twala walunjate. From the moment you not look like can, they can do a get you can, cause you wanna want. On quality, you know you want quality.
That guy. It is found at Dream Africa Schools Center. Hey, that is necessary. Thank you, teacher. We are seeing how you teach using signs to know about us.
That one is car.
Wow. This is Dream Africa School, Seeta.
That one is train.
Good. I'm being a teacher also. Okay. It is Dream Africa School Center having that perfect presentation on our New Day, and as well as they are showing us there. I told you before that we have enough space for our children. There is discount on uniforms. Please visit Madam Fiona on her table. There are beautiful discounts. Then we have enough space for boarding section. We have enough space for day scholars. Here at Dream Africa School Center, we have a
That one is seat.
Hey, thank you very much. We have a school van that can bring our children to school and even bring them back to home.
Can you sound for me, please?
This boy is very wise.
Yes, Mommy.
That is so.
Is she right? Yes. I'm Luganda Quinty. I can spell better than you. If you can spell better than me, can you spell the word pencil? It spells E-P-E-N-C-I-L. I can also spell better than I can spell. It spells C-H-A-L-K-B-O-A-R-D. Thank you, we are good friends. Madupa Christian. I am in top class. My name. Ebikabwe. I am in top class. We are gonna spell these following words. I can spell better than you. If you can spell better than me, can you spell the word banana? Yes, you spell B-A-N-A-N-A. I can also spell better than you. Can you spell the word police station? P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. We are good friends. I'm in top class. My name is Seeta. My name is Kayla. I'm in top class. I can spell better than you. If you can spell better than me, can you spell the word hospital? Yes, I can spell the word hospital. It spells H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. I can also spell better than you. Can you spell the word umbrella? It spells U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. We are good friends. Top class. I can spell the word head teacher. It spells H-E-A-D-T-E-A-C-H-E.
Nagude Sheila, Teresa Amir, Asimo Jordan, Nancy Ball, Maragat Melinda.
We are here to describe a letter. Let me invite my colleagues to talk more about a letter.
A letter is a written, typed or printed communication sent in an envelope by a post or messenger. A letter has two forms, formal and informal. Formal is known as an application letter or apology letter, while informal is known as a friendly letter or personal letter. Let me welcome my colleague to come and talk. Methods of writing a letter. Full block method. This is the best and organized one in 20th century. It is well designed because all the pictures are put on the same side. It also encourages the skipping of paragraph and easy reading for the receiver. Indent method. This is the method which is widely used in 20th century. Then we also allow
procedures when writing an informal letter. We have the writer's address, the date of that particular day, the salutation, the body, the introduction, like yours faithfully, and the affectionate, and the writer's signature. Let me allow my colleague to continue.
Materials needed when writing a letter: a plain paper, a pen, an inkpad, a stamp, and an envelope. Reason why we seal an envelope is to promote privacy and security, to prevent the letter from falling out. Let me invite my colleague to take me.
Imagine I am writing a letter to my friend Teresa, who is in another school. Dream Africa School, P.O. Box 37340, Kampala, 20th November 2025. Dear Teresa, how are you over there? I am writing this letter to you to inform you about our annual day, which will take place on 29th November 2025. The function will start at 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. There will be dances, plays, drama. I hope to see you on that day. I will be waiting for your reply. Your best friend, Melinda.
The thing moves on. Easy. So our director is here and the CEO. I know when you visit Madam Fiona, there is a discount. Hey, thank you, Mami Mama. Mami Brave, thank you very much. Hey, there is a discount on everything we have in our table. By the way, we have a very nice uniform that I have been seeing here.
By itself.
Dream Africa is talking now. We told them we shall talk. Nursery teachers, teacher Babra, Banange. Banange and Banange.